Yes, please come out. Please come out. Please come. Please come. I just closing the door.
Hello everyone, in this video I will be discussing something very sensitive that can happen with anyone, so do not ignore this. I request you all to watch full video and support in the sense that speak against this, because it is utter violation of fundamental rights of a common person. So as of now I believe you must come to know about the topic, that is the arrest of one of the nationally known reporters and head of Republic TV, Mr. Arnab Goswami, by the Maharashtra police, raised many questions on law that whole country asking. So the question is, does such arrest amount to violation of fundamental rights of Mr. Arnab Goswami? Well, however, before understanding this question, let's understand the reason and ground of arrest. The reason of arrest as given is, he allegedly abetted the suicide of a 53-year-old architect and interior designer Anvay Nayak and his mother in 2018. The architect had reportedly named Mr. Goswami in a suicide note and had accused Republic TV of not paying him his dues after he designed the channel's setup. Along with him, two others named in that note, Firoz and Nitesh Sharda. They were also arrested. The story of this suicide case was already investigated by the police 2 years back, and after proper investigation, the file was closed. Pay attention on the term closed. It was not under process or pending because of lack of evidence. Rather, already arrived on some conclusion and closed the file. Therefore, here we need to examine some facts instead of being carried away by emotions. The first point, keep in mind that under Article 19, no media has any special right of speech and expression than any common man. I mean, whatever the right a common man has regarding freedom of speech and expression, same right has also been given to media. Okay, so a common man and media, both of them having the same right, no special right. Keep in mind. Now, as mentioned above, along with Mr. Goswami, Firoz and Nitesh Sharda are also arrested. There is no voice against their arrest. Just pay attention how Mr. Goswami is distinct from those two. All three need to be on same platform. So here we need to raise voice against all three arrests, not only one. Keep in mind. That's the only thing that I want to say at this point in time. Now, this is one aspect. So, come on the legality of arrest and violation of fundamental rights. Okay. So, the first question that we have here is, what is the legal aspect of such arrest? If someone already given clean sheet by the law or authority, I am not saying that that case cannot be reopened, but there is some procedure to reopen and arrest the respective accused. It cannot be done suo motu, as we can see in this case. Before the arrest, 3 points must be taken care. As I said, it cannot be done suo motu or arbitrarily. Okay, so what are those 3 points? Let's check it out. The first one is, arrest warrant must be issued by the magistrate judge. There is as such no information that any magistrate has given any written permission to arrest. Okay, if not happened, then it violates the fundamental rights directly or indirectly. Now come to the second question, that is the degree of crime and background of accused. If crime is cognizable and accused can escape or can tamper the evidence, arrest can be done without authorities' permission immediately, and permission can be taken later. That is possible. That law says. But in this case, such fact is also missing. As the case already closed, so there is no urgency of such type, and Mr. Goswami is not the person to escape or temper the facts. So the background of accused is again not of such type. So on the second ground, again the arrest is utter negligence of law. He has the right to talk with his lawyer and can plea for the anticipatory bail, but the arrest is being done in haste. That reflects it that someone intentionally and because of some personal animosity planned to arrest him by allegedly or falsely reopening the case. Thirdly, it is the question on Maharashtra's police investigation process. As in the same case, once already clean cheat is given, then what evidence they found under which directly they need to arrest without giving even breathing a space? So, it is the clear-cut case of personal animosity. Now the question is, what are the fundamental rights that violated? Directly, indirectly, following are the fundamental rights, those are violated. Article 19A, discussing that freedom of speech and expression. Article 20, clause 2, which states that no person shall be prosecuted and punished for the same offence more than once. In short, double jeopardy. Thirdly, Article 21, which states that no person shall be deprived of his life or personal liberty, pay attention, personal liberty, except according to a procedure established by law, and which is missing in this case. Okay, so again, violation of Article 21 is also there. Article 22, no person who is arrested shall be detained in custody without being informed as soon as may be of the grounds for such arrest, nor shall he be denied the right to consult and to be defended by or legal practitioner of his choice. In this case, we can say that all these four fundamental rights are brazenly ignored and violated. So, now it is our duty to take a stance and speak against the arrest. What do you think? You can share your views in the comment box given below.